In late 2025, we came out here to help one of our customers set up one of the larger gorilla model tents because they were doing some outdoor traditional growing and they had some really high value plants that they needed to take care of.
So this customer's pretty serious about her anthuriums and she noticed she wasn't getting the results that she wanted outdoors. So brought it indoors with a nice setup and we're gonna go take a closer look at it and check it out.
So this is the inside of the tent. They've set up with some traditional racks, and as you can see, there's absolutely so much going on in this room. Now, the good thing about this tent is a really simple setup. It is a serious setup, but they're not doing anything too out of the box. They've got two AC Infinity fans, they've got an AC Infinity humidifier, and they've got some circulating fans moving. They have a few of these things on timers, and as you can tell, it is just thriving in here, creating really consistent results.
So one of the main benefits, obviously, of these sorts of setups is that in a tent, you have complete control over your environment, and these plants are reflecting that effort, especially with the lighting in here. We've got a whole bunch of Bohdi Jake lights that are topping all of these shelves, and they're fully dimmable and even have spectrum settings. So these are set to be absolutely the perfect lighting conditions for all of these anthuriums in here, and it's reflected in just how many are just absolutely bustling.
So as Jake just touched on, these Bohdi Jake lights, they're such a simple means of getting the results you want. They're not a basic light, they're the more premium option. You do have full control over the spectrum of lighting as well as the timing, and you can connect all of these together. They're really power efficient, and it just goes to show that you don't have to make things complicated to get really amazing results. She has opted for premium with her tent, with her racks, with the lighting, with everything that she's doing here. And again, it is reflected in the results she's getting. If you want consistency and you want quality, you really, doesn't have to be difficult, but premium helps. They can change this from a growing spectrum into a flowering spectrum if the plants need it. And these plants do both. They do grow and they do flower.
So the great part about these heavy-duty gorilla tents and big tents is that you can really do any kind of setup you want in here. It's got room and capabilities and the portholes for just about anything you could want. You can run racks, you can have larger plants, you can do full ventilation systems, entire ecosystems you can create in these tents. So it's always awesome having a big tent like this. If you'd like to go from growing outdoors
to growing indoors like this, contact us at Franz, and we can't wait to help you with your next project.